To burn off any food debris, run it at top temperature for 30 minutes until any residue burns away. Once it has cooled down, you can wipe the inside with a dry paper towel or sweep any debris away with an Ooni pizza oven brush. For especially stubborn marks, allow your Ooni pizza oven to cool completely. Then use the hole in the bottom of the oven to push your baking stone up and use 2 hands to very carefully take it out. Flip the baking stone over and reinsert. The next time you fire up your oven, the high temperatures will clean the underside of the stone by burning the residue away. You can wipe down the outer shell of the oven with a damp cloth, but it must be dried immediately. The Koda 16 can be stored outside using the cover for Ooni Koda 16, which has a waterproof barrier to keep ovens safe from the elements. Make sure your oven is cool before putting the cover on it. In cases of extreme weather, we recommend bringing your oven indoors.